In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Shopee using Gcash as your payment method. Whether you're new to online shopping or just looking to switch up your payment method, this guide will take you through the process step by step. Let's get started so you can have a seamless shopping experience. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Shopee website or open the Shopee app on your device. Simply type Shopee into your search engine or find the app in your list of applications and enter the virtual marketplace that has just about everything you might need, from fashion and electronics to home and kitchen essentials. Once you're on Shopee, it's all about discovering the products that catch your eye. You can use search terms to find specific items or browse through categories to explore broader selections. After narrowing down your choices and finding a product you'd love to purchase, click on the item to go to its detailed product page. Here, you'll find important information about the product, including descriptions, customer reviews, and seller ratings. Make sure to review these details carefully, ensuring the product meets your needs and is coming from a reputable seller. Once you're satisfied with your choice, it's time to add that item to your cart. From your cart, you'll be proceeding to the checkout page, where you have the chance to review your order one last time. Here, you'll want to double-check the quantity, size, or any options that you might have selected for the product. It's also the perfect moment to apply any available Shopee vouchers, discount codes, or use earned Shopee coins to save money on your order. Now, as you continue through the checkout process, you'll arrive at the payment method section. It's here that you'll make your selection for how you'd like to pay. In this instance, we'll be selecting Payment Center/e-wallet. From the options that appear, select Gcash as your payment method. It's important you have your Gcash account set up prior with sufficient funds available for the purchase. If you don't already have Gcash, that's a whole other process you'll need to get set up before shopping. With Gcash selected, proceed by confirming your order and you'll be guided through the secure Gcash payment portal. You'll likely need to log in and verify the transaction. Follow the prompts to finalize your payment. And there you have it. Once your payment is successfully processed, Shopee will confirm your order, typically providing you with tracking information and updates on shipping. Shopping with Shopee using Gcash is that simple, offering you a convenient and fast way to check out while ensuring your personal financial details are kept safe. Enjoy your new purchase and keep exploring the many possibilities that online shopping offers. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.